Ishqbaaz and his Pyar ko kya naam 3. Adhvay, Anika and Rudhra to team up to unite the lovebird Shivaay and Anika. As reported earlier, Adhvay will be seen bringing Anika back to Oberoi Mansion. Adhvay will learn about Shivaay and Anika's breakup. On the other hand, Anika too is surprised seeing Shivaay moved on with Ragini so fast. Anika vows to win back the love of Shivaay with the same trust and concern. Anika will be seen making Shivaay jealous by flirting, while Rudhra will be seen adding petrol to the fire. Pinky too will be seen fuming, while Rudhra will ensure Anika that Omkara and Rudhra will handle Pinky. Will Anika succeed in her mission to win back Shivaay with her Taddy-Baz attitude? What do you think? Leave your comments below. And for more such updates, do subscribe our channel TV Primetime.